The next video. In today's video we will see how to connect a Redis database which we had created in the previous video to our Next.js application. Now if you have been following my channel since the start, you might know that I have already created a series on how to use Next.js with Redis. But in that series, firstly I was using the pages API. In this series I will be using app router, which is the new thing from Next.js. And secondly, in that old playlist I was using IO Redis, but here I will be using the Node Redis or just Redis, whatever the name is. So yeah, in case if you are interested, so I will be I have already shown that approach. So in this playlist we will be using a different approach. Now firstly what you will have to do, you will have to click on this connect button, and here you will have to click on Redis client. And once you click on Redis client, just select Node.js from the drop down and it will give you a list of code. Here as you can see, I have created my Next.js application, and inside that I have created a folder called lib, and inside that I have created redis.ts, and I have copy pasted whatever code which I have got from that Redis website. I have just copy pasted it. So before that you will have to install this Redis library, and here you can see that I am just using create client, which you will find from the documentation. And then just enter your password, host and port which it gives you. Like I think password you will have to copy paste it manually. And here we are just logging any errors if any, and if the client is not already open, if the client is already not open, we just call client.connect. Next, inside page.txt, so here you can see that I am just calling redis.set color, and here I am just getting the value for it. So this should be okay, and here you can see I am getting the value which is present inside Redis. So this would refer to orange. Try to run your app, you will see orange over here. So yeah, that's it. Like pretty basic on setting up Redis with Next.js. In future video we will see more things how to use Redis in Next.js. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.